Muthako wa kuhithanira gatagati ka aria magakorwo magitwarithia na mbere mihango ya utarani wa andu na muingi wa bururi ndugakorwo na mweke thutha wa mawatho ngurani magutigira mundu wothe ni anyita itemi mihango-ini ino kugathikwo. Kuringana na watho wa utarani wa andu na uria wiriga gwikirwo kirore ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, mundu wothe ukaheana nja ya maheni thiini wa ciuria iria igakorwo ikiorio agakorwo akiguciriria kiho kia mieri 6 kana faini ya ciringi 100 kana maya meri.
The law is very clear. It is a requirement that Kenyans should provide information. We should be provided with access to homestead, but we do not normally go that way. We talk to Kenyans, we encourage them, we tell them the importance of this exercise, and we seek their cooperation.
Na kuri aria mari na mubango wa gukangathiria mihango ya Gutarwo magakorwo makeikia hatikaini ya kuhokwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe njera kana faini ya ciringi 100 maya mothe ari gutigira gutire mundu watigwo na thutha thiini wa mihango ino na iria tafanagio o thutha wa miaka 10 guku bururi-ini.
We seek cooperation from Kenyans to help us get accurate information.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ndari Zakari Mwangi, mihango ino igatwarithirio na mbere o haria mundu agakorwo kwa ihinda ria thikũ 7 na oho gutigakorwo na mweke wa mundu gutarwo maita meri.
Enumerated, some short questionnaire is administered, then they are given a card to show that they have been enumerated. So we are calling upon the Kenyans who will have been given that card to keep it until we finalize the enumeration period.
Maya mokite riri kamishna wa gicigo gatagati wa bururi arutete mukana kuri kundi ciothe cia wikinae irire na mubango wa gukagagia thayo wa muingi gukwagia thana irabu ciothe ikahingwo gugikinyeria thaa 11 cia hwaini muthe wa Jumamothi o ndomwe na muthenya wa Kiumia.
Tumeweka mikakati ya kuhakikisha kwamba hii exercise itaendeshwa mzuri na wale wananchi watakuwa na hiyo wafanyikazi watakuwa na usalama ya kutosha, na pia katika hiyo area iko ile maofisa wa machiefs village elders watakuwa nasukuka na hao maofisa kuambia wananchi wafungue mlango.
Mihango ino yothe tanyetwo kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 18 na andu makiria ma 138 nio mandikitwo guthiururuka magitaraga andu. Ria mwisho mihango ino yatafanirio kwari mwaka-ini wa 2009. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, reto riakwa ni Nugari wa Kamau.